Yeah, student, roles of wildlife conservation to protect wildlife and wildlands from being extincted, to maintain the ecological balance, to protect the biodiversity from being destroyed, to provide excellent economic benefits like horns, skin, etc. Yeah, wildlife in India. 15 mentioned wildlife experience in India. India is a country which have a variety of animals and birds. The animal world in India includes nearly all type of animal excluding those which need extreme cold climate to survive. The animal are found in large number in areas which are more conducive for their living. Okay, the Gir forest region of Gujarat is famous for lions. The Indian tiger is mainly found in Bengal. The hills of Uttarakhand, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Rhinoceros and hippopotamus are mainly found in Assam. The Odisha coast is famous for turtle. The dry regions of Rajasthan have camel and many varieties of deer and Nilgiris. The hills of Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir are famous for bear and leopard. The marshy areas have plenty of varieties of monkeys, crocodiles and other reptiles. Large variety of birds are also found across the Indian countrysides. Yes, student. Need for wildlife conservation is very important. So, to maintain the balance of nature, it has economic value, it has scientific value, it has recreational values, and it has cultural values. It helps in the preservation of human civilization. Yes, what are the importance of wildlife? Yeah, wildlife is very important for us. Because of that, wildlife include all undomesticated lives from microorganisms to vegetation and fungi as well. And we are dependent on wildlife in one way or another. The clothes we wear, the food we eat, the house we build, the paper we write, and the air we breathe all come from nature and wildlife. There are several biological processes wherein wildlife plays a key role, such as pollination, germination, seed dispersal, soil generation, nutrient cycle, predation, habitat maintenance, waste breakdown, and pest control. Okay, in this way, first point is ecosystem. Okay, so ecosystem can be defined as a complex relationship between all the living or resources and residents of an area. Okay, this world include all forms of life like animals, plants, fish, birds, microorganisms, people, and the non-living air, water, soil, etc. All these are interdependent, and if any one disappears, is would have an impact on the other. Next pointer of importance of wildlife, germination. Germination is the process in which a plant emerges from a seed or spores and begins its growth. However, this growth is related to the availability of other things like water, air, manure, soil, nutrients, minerals, etc. Okay, students? Yes, next point is pollination. A pollination is the process by which pollen is transferred in the production of plant, thereby enabling production of seeds. Predation. Predation is an interaction between species in which one species uses another species as food. Reasons for the reasons for the loss of natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, so a number of human activities and natural factors are responsible for the loss of natural vegetation and wildlife which take thousands of years to replenish. Some of these are given. Okay, first is human interference like construction activities and expanding into forest for want of space or setting up industries. Next reason, deforestation. Okay, deforestation means leads to extensive loss of vegetations and wildlife. The forest which take up hundreds of years to build get destroyed in just a few months by human activities. It also disturbs the natural habitats of a number of birds and animals. Yes, like soil erosions. Soil erosions cause loss of vegetation and animal life. Bring widespread damage not only to the forest and wildlife get destroyed, but also the natural habitats of variety of wildlife animal get destroyed, making them even more vulnerable. Yes, student, natural disaster also reasons for the loss of natural vegetations. Okay, like tsunami and landslide change the habitat and bring enormous damage which may take hundreds and thousands of years to build again. Another natural disasters are tornado, floods, storms, natural wildfire, earthquake, droughts, tsunamis. Okay, landslides, typhoon, volcano, ice storm, sinkhole. These are also natural disasters. Poaching is the reason for the loss of natural vegetation and wildlife. Yes, poaching means illegal hunting of endangered species like poaching of wildlife animal for collection, illegal trades of hides, skin, nails, teeth, horns and feathers, etc. Yes, students, areas of conservation. The natural vegetation and wildlife can be conserved and protected by increasing awareness about their importance and creating environment for their protection. Some of these protected environments are as given below. In this area, natural habitats are not disturbed, a balance of natural environment is conserved and human activities are minimal and measures are taken to preserve ecosystem. First one is national park. Yes, national park means these are areas strictly reserved for conservation of wildlife, include flora and fauna. Here, any activity of forestry, grazing or cultivation is not permitted. Yes, second one is wildlife sanctuaries. Yeah, wildlife sanctuary means a sanctuary gives protection to fauna, only killing or capturing of any species of wild animals and prohibited here some activities like harvesting of timber and collection of minor forest products are permitted. Important is biosphere reserve. These are a special categories of protected areas of land or coastal environment wherein people are an integral components of the system. Okay student, these are the very important points. Okay, now next and last point is effort to conserve natural vegetation and wildlife. Yes, conservation and protection of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. Second, awareness programs like social forestry and Van Mahotsav amongst community at rural and urban levels. encouraging school children to go for a bird watching and their visit to a nature camps. Okay, fourth one is many countries have made stringent laws and declared certain traits related to skin, heights, nails and teeth of wild animals are illegal and punishable. Okay, so India government has banned the killing of lions, tigers, deers, great Indians, bustards and peacocks. And fifth one is to increase the number of rare species by breeding them under species care of the scientist. Okay, these are the effort to conserve our natural vegetation and wildlife.